Hello, Storm friends. Welcome to the Haven. I'm Mussetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse. And today I'm going to show you how I make apple butter. So keep on watching. To start this off, you're going to take 6 pounds of apples, core and quarter them. You can peel them if you like, but I keep the skins on because I like the pectin to help with the gelling of the apple butter. 2 cups of apple cider and 1 cup of cider vinegar. You're going to put those all in a pot and then bring them up to a boil. Once the apples have been brought to a boil, lower the heat to a simmer and stir occasionally to prevent sticking until the apples are soft. Once the apples are soft, you're going to process these through a food mill or a sieve and then return them to the pot. Once you return them to the pot, we're going to add our sugar and our spices. We're going to need 3 cups of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of pickling salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 3-inch cinnamon stick, a 1/2 teaspoon of cloves ground, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice. Stir until the sugar dissolves, then bring to a boil and stir occasionally to prevent sticking until you can mound it up on the spoon or it gels on a plate. And that is how I make apple butter. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!